Hey YouTube, so tonight's the first night that I do the oil treatment thing. As you can see, my hair's all wrapped up because it's so long that it needs to be wrapped up. Not really, but I've already encountered my first problem. While heating up the oil in the microwave, something in the microwave caught fire, and I'm not sure what, but I think I broke my microwave. My microwave is dodgy anyway, so don't worry. But yeah, I thought I'd let you guys know because, well, it's funny, and it's part of my whole hot oil treatment thingy anyway, so why not let you guys know. And now you're seeing me, whoop, ooh, a little too much of me. Now you're seeing me all natural, like I've got no makeup on, no glasses, or nothing. So yeah, and it's raining outside, so yeah, I'm gonna keep going with this. I think I might just have to heat my oil up on the stove for the next week because I think I broke my microwave. Oops.